Today we are going to start with a new chapter, lesson number 2, linear equation in one variable. Example number 5. 1. Find solution. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. So here there is minus 3, so I am adding plus 3 on both the sides. Or you can go in this way. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. So 2x is equal to 7 plus 3. So 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 upon 2. So x is equal to 5. Solve. 2y plus 9 is equal to 4. So 2y plus 9 is equal to 4. Plus 9 shifted to the right hand side becomes minus 9. So 2y is equal to 4 minus 9. Y is equal to minus 5 upon 2. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. 2 is in multiplication, goes as division. So y is equal to 5 upon 2. Solve. X upon 3 plus 5 upon 3, 2 is equal to minus 3 upon 2. I written the question x upon 3 plus 5 upon 2 is equal to minus 3 upon 2. Now I am going to take LCM of these rows. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6, so multiply numerator by 2. So it is 2x. 2 3s are 6, so multiply by numerator by 3. So 3 5s are 15. So 2x plus 15 upon 6 is equal to minus 3 upon 2. Okay. Well, I am taking this denominator 6 on the right hand side. So minus 3 into 6 upon 2. 2 3s are 6. Minus 3 into 3 is minus 9. So 2x is equal to minus 9 plus 15 shifted to the right hand side becomes minus 15. So x is equal to minus 9 minus 50 minus 24. So x is equal to multiplication goes as division. 24 upon 2. So x is equal to minus 12. Solve. 15 upon 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. So I have kept minus 7x as it is. 9 plus 15 upon 4 shifted on the right hand side becomes minus 15 upon 4. So by taking LCM as 4, I get 36 minus 15 upon 4. So minus 7x LCM, okay, 1. So 1 4 is 4, 4 9 is 36. So 7x is equal to 21 upon 4. So minus x is equal to 21 upon 4 into 7. 7 3 is 21. So minus x is equal to 3 upon 4. So x is equal to minus 3 upon 4. Exercise 2.1. X minus 2 is equal to 7. Minus 2 shifted on the right hand side becomes plus. So x is equal to 7 plus 2, 9. Y plus 3 is equal to 10. Plus 3 shifted on the right hand side becomes minus 3. So y is equal to 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. 6 is equal to z plus 2. So I am shifting 2 to the left hand side. So what is going to be the z is equal to 6 minus 2. So z is equal to 4. 3 upon 7 plus x is equal to 17 upon 7. So I am shifting this 3 upon 7 on the right hand side. As it is plus over here, it will become minus. 17 minus 3 upon 17 upon 7 minus 3 upon 7. The denominator are same. So 7 is a common denominator. 17 minus 3. Sorry. 17 minus 3. 17 minus 3 upon 7. Right. So 17 upon 3 is 14. 14 upon 7 is x is equal to 2. So 6x is equal to 12. X is equal to multiplication comes as division. 12 divided by 6. X is equal to 2. T upon 5 is equal to 10. So t is equal to division goes as multiplication. 10 multiplied by 5. T is equal to 50. Well, now 2x is equal to 18. 2x upon 3 is equal to 18. Division goes as multiplication. So 2x is equal to 18 into 3. X is equal to 18 into 3 upon 2. Multiplication goes as 2 9s are 18. So 9 multiplied by 3. So x is equal to 27. 14 y minus 8 is equal to 13. Minus 8 shifted to the right hand side becomes plus 8. So 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. So y is equal to 14. Multiplication goes as division. So 7 3s are 21 and 7 2s are 14. So y is equal to 3 upon 2. Now 1.6 is equal to y upon 1.5. 1.5 division, so when it is taken to the other side it becomes multiplication. So y is equal to 1.6 into 1.5. Y is equal to 2.4. 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. Now plus 17 shifted to the right hand side becomes minus 17. So 6p is equal to 9 minus 17. So p is equal to 9 minus 17 minus 8. Multiplication goes as division. So minus 8 upon 6. 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. So p is equal to minus 4 upon 3. 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. 7x is equal to 16 minus 9 shifted to the right hand side becomes plus. So 7x is equal to 25. X is equal to 25 upon 7. Now you can't cut this number, so this is your final answer. X plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 15. So plus 1 is shifted to the right hand side as minus 1. So x upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 15 minus 1. Now taking LCM, 7 is there, okay. Here denominator becomes 1. So 1 15 are 15. So 15 multiplied by minus 1 is 15. So x upon 3 is equal to 7 minus 15 upon 15. Okay, so 7 minus 15 is minus 8. 3 is division, it comes as multiplication. So 8 3s are 24. Okay, or 3 5s are 15. Okay, so minus 8 upon 5. Illustration number 6. It is a problem sum. The perimeter of a rectangle is 13 cm and its width is 3 upon 4 cm. Find its length. Now dear friends, here the breadth is given to you and perimeter is given. They have not given you the length. So we are going to find out the length. So first of all we are going to assume let the length of rectangle is equal to x. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 13. Formula of perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So 2. Length we are assumed as x. Breadth is given 2 integer 3 upon 4 is equal to 30. Converting this mixed number into improper fraction, 4 2s are 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 upon 4. I have taken this 2 as division, so it is 13 upon 2. So x plus 11 upon 4 is equal to 13 upon 2. So x is equal to 13 upon 2 minus 11 upon 4. Taking 4 as LCM, 2 2s are 4. So multiplying 13 by 2 it is 26. Here already it is 4. So 26 minus 11 upon 4. So x is equal to 15 upon 4. So the length is 3 upon 4 centimeter. Length of rectangle is 3 upon 4 centimeter. Now the present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present of Sahil. Understand, Sahil's mother age is given 3 times of Sahil. That means Sahil's mother age is given. Sahil's age is not given. So you are going to assume Sahil's age as x. After 5 years the age will be 66 years. Okay. The will be added to 60. Matlab after 5 years the sum of Salin and Salin's mother age will be 66 years. So we have assumed let Salin's present age is equal to x. Mother's present age, they have told you 3 times Salin's present age, so it is 3x. Salin's age after 5 years, recently it is x, so after 5 years it will become x plus 5. Same way, mother's age after 5 years, that is 3x plus 5. The sum of the age of Shalin and his mother after 5 years is 66. So Shalin's age is x plus 5 after 5 years plus mother's age after 5 years is 3x plus 5 is equal to 66. X plus 5 plus 3x plus 5, just left the brackets. X plus 3x is 4x, 5 plus 5 is 10. So 4x is equal to 66 plus 10 lifted to the right hand side becomes 10 minus 10. So x is equal to 66 minus 10 is equal to 56. Okay, so 4 is taken as division, so x is equal to 56 upon 4. So x is equal to 14. Now we have assumed Salin's present age is equal to x. So Salin's present age is going to be 14 years. And mother's present age is 3 into x. So 3 into 14 is equal to 42 years. If any doubt, please ring me. Thank you.